Come,
Yeah,
this,
really.
come this lady. Check.
Hi.
Was
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Please.
you help her clean?
No, okay.
No, I mean her house. Her house. Where's your house? Come.
Look at this.
The firemen are gonna go to her apartment. They already have her number.
Yeah.
And they know about that.
Yes,
They're gonna
but
come to her.
yeah, but you know, it's better if you have something.
No, no, I know.
Please.
Okay. Oh my God, the
I
floor.
think she'll be first.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's like a
This is the people
steam
that
room
we
in here.
live.
Eh?
Oh no.
Mister.
It's the bed too. Look,
That
wet.
came down from the ceiling, or how did the bed get
There,
wet?
there. Look, it's ready to bust. Look, it's gonna drop down.
Oh my God.
The ceiling is gonna drop. The water is leaking there.
What apartment number is this?
What apartment number, señora? Número.
14.
14.
One,
Okay,
one.
we take
14,
that.
1.
Even the windows, for some reason,
Yeah.
the humid of the windows,
Yeah.
it goes to the
It's
windows.
like escaping steam or something.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
See, people is waiting to the last minute that something bad is gonna happen, and then
Yeah.
all the humid and this lady can have.
How they don't they sleeping?
How can she's gonna sleep?
Sleeping?
This is ready to bust, senora. It's gonna come in your hand. It's gonna come to your face, because that's gonna bust. It's ready.
Holy
If you move this here, maybe look the water.
Oh my God. Oh, it's half an inch of water on the floor.
1 minute. 1 minute. Because she's gonna have problems. Move, senora, move.
No.
No, move. It's gonna come down on you heavy.
He's afraid that it's gonna crush her.
Crush your head.
Yeah.
Oh my
Hold
God.
it.
It's right there too. Oh man.
Let them fix it, senora.
Yeah.
All that leaks.
Oh, that's all wet. It's all wet.
There. Poor lady.
Oh shit.
Look, the water is from here.
Yeah, right there. What time did this happen?
It's a couple hours now. Let them fix it, senora.
Careful, man. Whoa.
It's better than coming
Yeah.
to her face. Look.
Oh my God. It's all busted up.
Otherwise, it will build and
Yeah, it'll build
knock
up.
her down. Maybe push the bed this way. 1 second. Okay, senora. You want this mattress to turn the other way to sleep? You can sleep here. You can sleep here, senora.